Hi guys, welcome to Porsche Center Johor Bahru, the first of its kind 4S center for Porsche in Malaysia. It is also home to the first ever certified Porsche Classic partner in the region, and more importantly, it is here to meet the growing needs of sports car enthusiasts and Porsche fans. We have a lot to uncover today, and we'll be speaking with three separate experts on separate occasions. So we'll start off with Mr. Alan, the service advisor. Hello, I'm Matthew. Nice to meet you.
Hi Matthew, I'm Alan. Welcome to Porsche Center Johor Bahru. How may I assist you?
Oh, nice to meet you, Alan. I heard this is a fantastic place to be, especially if you own a Porsche. So tell us, what can Porsche customers expect when they bring their cars here?
Okay, first of all, you're at the right place because we are committed to taking care of all the Porsche cars, no matter it's a used, old or new. And also upon receiving your cars, we will conduct a full assessment, be it a minor, major or body repairs up to restoration. We can provide the best possible standards with the specialist knowledge and required tools or genuine parts to ensure you enjoy the pleasure of driving the Porsche.
Oh, that all sounds very reassuring. Also, I heard there's something really special about this 4S Center. What is it?
Yes, true Matthew. The unique is we have own body and paint workshop with a trained skilled staff.
And importantly, is first certified Porsche Classic partner in Malaysia. Our staff and experts are certified and trained directly from Porsche AG to maintain and restore Porsche Classic cars. And also, we have our expert, Khalidi, waiting for you.
Hi Matt.
Hi.
Welcome to the first Porsche Body and Paint Workshop in Malaysia.
Thank you.
I'm Khalid, the workshop manager. Nice to have you here today. This is where we prepare the estimate, and if necessary, we remove the panel to produce the most accurate estimate for customer.
Okay.
All right. This is aluminium room.
Okay.
Mainly this room is for aluminium repair. This is also the place where we assemble the vehicle. This is a straightening bench. This is Porsche state-of-the-art straightening bench. This is where my technician measure every point by Porsche AG to make sure the vehicle is 100% accurate.
High-class world stuff.
This is our preparation bay. We have three. This is where we prepare the car before the car entering spray booth.
Okay.
This is where we mask the car. This is where we sand, we put body filler and do anti-rust. So this station is actually the best way to make sure the paint is in immaculate condition. So we have three, and it's come with extraction system.
What is an extraction system?
They will extract so that there will no airborne dust. Yes. This is where we paint our car. We have two booths, booth 1 and booth 2.
Okay.
There is no difference. Doing the same job, if we want to paint, this is where we paint. The next process will be a baking process. So the baking process will be using the infrared system.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be the bulb, the infrared system.
I see.
So the temperature will regulate to a maximum of 65 degrees. We mix our paint here, and we are using 100% waterborne system.
Oh, okay.
This is the light tunnel. Also, we are doing polishing here. If you can see, the light tunnel also will reflect to the paint so that we can see the paint is in good condition. So we are polishing the car here.
Oh,
we are thoroughly check on the paint quality also here.
Thank you so much, Mr. Khalidi, for the wonderful and very brief walkthrough. I enjoyed my tour. It's really safe for me to say that if anybody is looking for a minor or a major repair work, this is the place to be. I can't think of a better place for you to fix your Porsche. So this has been enlightening. And to see the finished work, I cannot wait to meet Mr. Syed downstairs. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time, Mr. Khalidi. Oof, this singer though. Gorgeous. Anyway, speaking of restoration, if you have a classic Porsche you want restored, regardless of whether it's a small or a big fix, the Porsche Center Johor Bahru is the place to be. If you don't believe me, our next guest, Mr. Syed Faisal, the after-sales manager here, is going to tell us all about it. So, Syed, when does a Porsche be considered a classic?
A Porsche becomes a part of Classic family 10 years after its end of production. Porsche Classic starts from 356 all the way to the first generation of Cayenne, Boxster, Cayman, and 997.
Oh, okay. That's really nice to know.
Yeah.
Now, this being the first of its kind 4S Center with a dedicated, certified Porsche Classic Partners facility, what else do we have here at this Porsche Classic Corner?
The Classic Corner is a visual highlight in the showroom featuring the Porsche Classic vehicle. And as you can see, We have a 993 turbo display here.
Beautiful.
Of course, we have a display cabinet featuring classic genuine parts, Porsche Crest production and technical literature
Okay.
for our customer to browse through history.
I see. And what is that thing behind you?
Oh, here also you can find out Porsche Classic Communication Management System
I see.
for your classic car to enjoy a modern entertainment and up-to-date information.
Oh.
And lastly, our certified team is trained directly by Porsche AG to restore your Porsche up to its former glory.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Syed, for your time. Now, remember the car we saw earlier in the video? Well, this video wouldn't be complete if we at Poltan.org didn't review it. So let's have a go, shall we? This car, to keep a long story short, was made in 1989 and it's come a long way since the first time it arrived here at Porsche Center JB. Yes, you heard that right. This very car was restored here from its condition that was really poor to what it is today. And if I can tell you, this car looks absolutely immaculate. The paint is flat and glossy as all day. The black plastic trims are really black. There are no signs of oxidation. The rims look sparkly, glossy, and everything just looks so well put together. And I cannot wait to go inside. So let's, take a peek inside. The number one thing to do here is the smell test. And here it smells like 1989. Now, everything they've done here looks really good. So they fixed the seats, the carpeting is new, it's all like navy, so it looks really good. And the plastics that usually crack over time would be the dashboard, the rubberized gear knob, and the door trims. They are all made replaced with original, genuine Porsche parts, so they look good. Even the aircon vents are working perfectly fine. And if you notice in the middle here, there is the new PCCM with navigation, the one that Mr. Syed showed earlier. So I think it really doesn't look out of place. And if I were to own a car like this, I'd be really happy, man. Nice. Now, I'm quite big on preservation, so I really did enjoy my time here touring this place. Now, I'll hand it over to you and let us know what you think of this place we call the Wonderland. Did you enjoy the tour as much as I did? Just comment below, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. This has been Matthew, signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.